Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a for sale sign. This is for sale sign for real estate agents. So when you open the Canva, go here to create a design and here to custom size design, or just go directly here to custom size and type your dimensions here. I went on Vistaprint and saw what sizes of yard signs they have, and here it is. The recommended size is this one, but I think that it would be wiser to go with the biggest one here. It is 24 and 36 inches, 24 inches tall and 36 inches wide sign. So let's get back to Canva and type our dimensions here. First make sure that here from this drop down menu you have chosen the inches. Okay, it is 36 and 24 inches high design, and go here, click to create new design. And this is our new design. First of all, we will upload your logo. So if you have purchased a Realtor logo from my Etsy shop, you have received the different types of files, and the one that you will need to upload to Canva is the PNG type of file. It is the file that has a transparent background. So go here to uploads and upload file and upload the PNG file from your computer. I already have some logos from my shop uploaded here, so we will use this one. This is the newest Realtor logo from my Etsy shop. So I simply clicked here, or I could drag this design on the canvas. It is too big, so we need to scale it. Scaling is easy. Just click on the logo and then here in the corner simply click and drag your mouse. Okay, let's go with this size, and we want to center the logo on this position. So go to position, and here you have offered aligns, so we will choose this one, center, and now we have our logo at the center of the sign. Okay, I will create one border here, and we will write for sale on it. So let's go to elements and choose from lines and shapes, choose this rectangular shape, and you can simply by dragging here you can resize it. Okay, let's go like this, maybe move it a little lower, and now we will choose the color for our stripe here. So click on it and then go here to this little icon color here. And when you click it, you have some colors here from your logo design. So we can choose this, not the darkest one, maybe this one here. Okay, I will lock the position of the stripe, so it would be easier for me to navigate the text. So click on it and then click on this little icon here. So it is now locked and cannot be moved. Okay, now we need the text here. So let's go to this icon text here and choose the heading. And let's write for sale. You can also write here open house, or I don't know, whatever you want. You can scale the text by clicking here on the corner and dragging the mouse, or here. Okay, you click on the text and then go here and click either here on the plus sign or typing the size here. You can also center the text by clicking on the position center here, and we will move it up. and we can change the color of the text. Let's go with the white color on this golden. So click on the text and then go to this text color icon and choose the white color. You can also change the font here. You can choose any of these fonts. Canva has a lot of fonts offered, so I don't know, let's maybe try with this one, maybe even this one, I don't know. Okay, you can choose any of these fonts. It is better to go with some bold font because we want this text to be more visible. Okay, we will go with this one. Now we need some contact info here. My clients usually use their phone number and email address. So let's go with the phone number. We will click on the heading again and type the phone number here. Okay, now we will move the text. We can change the color of the text to fit this one and also the font. When you go scroll up, it will be shown, the font that you use will be shown here. Okay, we can scale this text by dragging here and position center. We can add the little phone icon here, so go to elements and type phone icon. Phone icon, you will see different icons here. Okay, let's use this one. It is a mobile phone. We can also change the color of the icon as well. So we are clicking here and then on this color. And we can add email address under as well. So we are going to text, add a subheading, and okay, type your email address, move the text. It can be smaller because most of the customers will contact you by the phone, so we can make this email address smaller, change the color, change the font, change the color of the font, and add an email icon. So we are going to elements and type email icon. And okay, let's choose this one. Okay. Now I will go backward with the text to choose this icon, scale it and change the color. Okay, and now we have our for sale signs. Logo can be a little larger. Okay, and there it is. You can now download the file and print it at Vistaprint. So let's go here on this share button, download, and here make sure that you have chosen the PDF print file. Color profile will be not RGB, it is for web use, but we will choose this one, SMYK, and go to download here. Once you have downloaded your file, go to Vistaprint or some other online printing company and upload your design. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.